Okay fellas, it's been 6 months, so bought a box because I couldn't help myself as a Christmas present to myself to go with the LeBron 6s and the Jordan 11 and 12 pack that I'm getting as well. So here we go. See what I get after a long way off. And getting back from holidays the other day too, which is good because I don't go back to work till January. Alrighty, pack number 1. Oh, the Spurs and Hornets games on in the background. ESPN HD. Alright. Yeah, Bogut. Yeah, Bogut. Jason Terry. Matt Barnes. Rudy Gay. Jefferson. Telfair, Bargnani, Al Jefferson. Oh, auto in the first pack. Daquan Cook star signings. Is that one? You see? Daquan Cook. Stupid filler card. And the Roy Hibbert, Ryan Anderson RCs. That's those 2 bad boys. Alright. So I've got to auto the first pack. Pack number 2. Chris Paul just got 106 games in a row for steal, which broke the record. That's what the cheering was for. Alright. Dudley, Crittenton, Heinrich, Larry Hughes, Verjao, Corey McGetty, Baron Davis, Nick Young, Corver, Salmons, Arroyo, Jameson, Calderon, Damian Wilkins, Brewer, Murray Sevens, Nate Robinson, Mike Kupchak, Lakers Dynasty. He's the GM or the owner or some shit, isn't he? There's that clown. Some old fucking old dude. Another filler. DJ Augustine and Spud Webb. Cards to finish it off. There's those 2. Alright, that's the second one down. Pack number 3. Luol Deng, Josh Childress, Dunleavy, Daquan Cook, Miller, Jay Rich, Kleiser, Andre Owens, Udonis Haslam, Vince Carter, Channing Frye, Jimmy Nelson, Jamal Crawford, Devin Harris, Blake, Chandler, Electric Court, Udonis Haslam. Yeah, he's on the side, you see. Another fucking filler. Deron Washington and Beasley rookie cards. Washington and Beasley. So that's the 3rd one down. Pack number 4. That's a trap. That's just a message on the phone. Alright, pack 4. Rasheed Wallace, Conchito Mobley, Felton, Kamen, Ben Gordon, Kobe, Cassell, Nazir Muhammad, Deron Williams, Brent Barry, Villanueva, Morris Peterson, Barbosa, Shaq, Boozer, Dwight, Delfino, Deshaun Stevenson, another shitty filler, James Gist, and Isaiah Thomas. Hey, there's those 2. Let's see the glare off the TV on there. Alright, quarter of the way through. Next one, pack 5. Paul Pierce, Marvin Williams, Luther Head, Odom, Murphy, Jason Williams, Stephen Jackson, Eddie House, Horford, Kenyon Martin, Randy Foy, Brewer, Jeff Green, Mikey Moore, Red, Brandon Roy, Chris Wilcox, Celtics Dynasty, Sam Jones, fucking filler. Bill Walker and Derrick Rose. Bill Walker and Derrick Rose.
And a 1-point win over the Atlanta Hawks. Hawks a chance to win it late. Mike Bibby, no, with the three-pointer they would have won it.
Next pack. Damn, Celtics beat the Hawks again. Darko, Glenn Davis, Ellis, Jet Johnson, Badier, Farmer, Tim Thomas, T-Mac, Pager, Finley, Mo Williams, Amari, Earl Watson, Rashad McGann, Ginobili, Nakbar, Bino Udry, LaMarcus Aldridge. Jersey card. It is Kevin Garnett, game jersey. There you go for your Celtics boys. KG. The rookies are Malik Hairston, the Spurs, and Kevin McHale, another Celtics player, even though he can't coach for shit. Get that down. Next one. Come on, Tony Parker. Get some points for my fantasy team. Granger, Rip, Canby, Jermaine O'Neal, Josh Smith, LeBron, Conley, Marion, Lowry, Nowitzki, Turgaloo, Duncan, Durant, Yee, Caron Butler, Lewis, David Lee. The gold electric court, Ben Gordon, there's that. Filler, Darrell Arthur and Richard Hendricks. There's those two.
Kurt Thomas has had a big impact on this game. Defensively, he has done a tremendous job.
Ben Wallace, Tinsley, Kidd, Iverson, Mello, Okafor, Louis Williams, Okor, Bosch, Bulls Dynasty, Bill Cartwright there. Kobe Basketball Heroes, it's not my fucking hero. There. Stupid filler. Luke Richard, blah 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 from the Bucks, and a Larry Bird card. It's those two. Alright, halfway.